I'm hungry. All right, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing something different. Today we're going to be doing the barbecued beef wrap. Okay, so it's something that I don't think has been done before, and we're just going to get started and see how it goes. So first we're going to need some diced onions and some 80-20 ground beef. Okay, so this is the beef that you usually use for a hamburger. Okay, so you want some spices and some pita bread as well. All right, so let's get started.